Are you ready for the biggest celebration in Nigeria? Imo is at it again. The first ever carnival in eastern Nigeria is home in Owerri. Imo comes alive. It's Imo Carnival 2011. Imo will be playing host to Nigeria and the rest of the world. It's a celebration of arts, culture, beauty, tradition, color, and entertainment. There will be 7 days filled with a display of the most remarkable cultural content, originality, and aesthetics. It's Imo Carnival 2011. For more information or sponsorship, support, participation, please call 0818-451-3391 or 080-331-68399. Or you can also visit the Imo Carnival Development Secretariat at number 43 Ohazara Street, Aladima, Owerri. Visit our website at www.imocarnival.com. Believe it or leave it, it will be 7 days filled with a display of the most remarkable cultural content, originality, and aesthetics. Imo will be alive again.